My name is Jacob Way. I teach high school, 9, 10, 11, 12, history, social studies, economics, government, the whole gambit. The students, for sure. This is only the second school I've ever taught in, but there's a reason for that. This is my 6th year, and these students are just incredible. They work hard, they're curious, they're fun to be around, they're genuinely interested in learning. It's just incredible to see where they go from here. I actually failed my student teaching. The teacher and I just did not get along for some reason, and it was really challenging because I was writing lesson plans the morning of, the day of, because they weren't good enough. They weren't up to her standard, and it was really hard. And she told my professors that I shouldn't be a teacher, and she failed me. And so I talked to my professors, and they were really kind, and I found another teacher, and she was helpful as well. And they just said, you know what, this challenge doesn't define you. This person's opinion of you doesn't define you. If you believe you're called to teach, then you need to continue to pursue that. And so I did, and I'm grateful for that encouragement. Here at TIS, I'm the MUN director, so Model United Nations. You get a chance to, as students, to represent different countries and their interests, really come together, write resolutions, try to solve big problems like world hunger or the problem of technology or integrating trade. And so these really big topics. So yeah, that's the goal. We work on public speaking, we work on writing resolutions, writing persuasively, research, coming together, debate. Yeah, it's this all-inclusive package. Yeah, it's multifaceted, and it's hard to quantify. So everything from small public speaking to leadership to actually running committees, helping plan a conference. There's so many different ways in which you can benefit from MUN. MUN has a long history at TIS. We are just about to actually host TIMUN 10, which is our 10th year of hosting a conference where we've had schools from all over China and all over Tianjin come to this school for 10 years and do this conference in the fall. So one thing I'm really proud about our students, the past 2 years with pandemics, is we have been one of the only schools in China that has been consistently hosting MUN. Several schools in Shanghai, very famous schools, have closed their doors to MUN for 2 years. Other schools have gone strictly online, but our students have done something different. They wanted to maintain the integrity of an in-person event. Even if that only means Tianjin schools will come, our students the past 2 years have been consistent in providing a hybrid conference to make sure this legacy of excellence in this program continues. And I'm so proud of them.